Sanibonani bafowethu, ngiphinde kanibuyela nenye update namhlanje about iMadlanga Commission. Namhlanje ngifuna nje sike sibheke ukuthi kwenzakaleni lapha kwiMadlanga Commission. Sibheke kakhulu iside likaMatlala because angeke ngithi kule update namhlanje ikhona into esizuzile engathi itheni because uMatlala bekame nje ngelithi akafuna ukuzi-incriminate. Uzokhumbula ukuthi as umuntu wase South Africa unelungelo lokuthi ungazifaki ecaleni, into oyikhulumayo ingakufaki ecaleni. So noMatlala bekame nje ngalelo lungelo lakhe lokuthi uma ngiyikhuluma lento le izongifaka ecaleni. Kuye kuthiwa i-right to against self incrimination. So uMatlala ume ngalelo nje ukuthi ayikho into engizokwazi ukuyikhuluma because uma ngiyikhuluma lento ngisaphenywa ngayo, and if ngiyikhuluma la kuMadlanga Commission kusho ukuthi ngenza kube lula for abaphenyi ukuthi bengibophe because sengibenzela umsebenzi walula ngavele ngakhuluma izinto njengoba zinjalo. So ngokomthetho akuvumelekile ukuthi umuntu ethwesa amacala athile aphinda ayobizwa kwenye indawo aphinda akhuluma iqiniso kuleyo ndawo leyo. Iyenza ukuthi kube khona ukushayisana okungekho right, kanti wonke umuntu kumele athole i-trial or icala lakhe melithethwa kumele kube ukuthi icala elifair, kungabi khona ukungabaza okukhona okushiyekayo uma umuntu esegwetshwa. Now into yokuqala nje ama-lawyer engicabanga ukuthi into ekade inkulunyana njengoba ngisho ukuthi akukho kutheni uMatlala ezenako ngathi kuyathusa. Okokuqala uzokhumbula ukuthi i-lawyer kaMatlala or i-advocate kaMatlala ulo mama omhlophe ekuthiwa u-Annelien van der Heever. So bekangekho namhlanje because uyagula according to ama-report engiwazwile, and njengoba egula kube sewacela i-advocate enye ekuthiwa uFatima Misi ukuthi ake ize izomela uMatlala. So because of leyo nto leyo bebecela kuMadlanga Commission ukuthi bacela kupostpone kungahlalwa namhlanje because umuntu okade handlisha inkinga zikaMatlala akekho namhlanje because akaphathekile kahle. So and esinye isizathu sabo besithi kunzima ukuthi bethole information enough ngoMatlala because most of the time uMatlala uvalelwe kwijele ekuthiwa iKhosi Mampuru Correctional Service. So because ulaphana abakwazi ukumthola ngesikhathi esikahle ngalendlela abamfuna ngayo, so enye information iyabashaya, so kunzima ukuthi bamrepresente uMatlala. So bebecela isikhathi esi-enough sokuthi bedile noMatlala kuze mabebuye kwiMadlanga Commission bebuye kanti vele sebafithi ba-ready for yonke lento le. And lokho kubonakala ukuthi i-strategy nje abazama ukusebenzisa ukuze iMadlanga Commission lokhu idileka kuze kufike uDisemba into kaMatlala igcina ingathethekanga. And ke I think neMadlanga Commission ibonile leyo nto leyo ukuthi okay, i-strategy salabantu laba ukudlala ama-delaying tactics, so kuzomele sidile nabo masinyana. So u-advocate u-Adila Hasim lo oncedisana nomama uSilo laphana ubuye ngamandla eyiphikisa yonke lento lena ethi cha, ama-lawyer kaMatlala sawanika isikhathi izinyanga eziningabi sibatshelile ukuthi ngelanga elithile niyeza. Uzokhumbula nangoJuly kwaphinde kwapostpone kwathiwa sizophinde sidibane futhi ngenyanga ethile. So isikhathi bekuyinto abanayo, abakwazi ke manje ukuthi bangafika sebekhala ngokuthi cha isikhathi esiningi abasinikwanga. Ama-lawyer kaMatlala abuye ngestrategy esithi okay, if nisho kanjalo it means sithi thina ke manje if anisivumeli ukuthi sithole isikhathi esithile noMatlala kuzomela ukuthi sibe sekuthenini siyayeka thina ezama-lawyer sivumelene. uMadlanga uze wabuzisisa kahle ukuthi nivumelene ngempela ukuthi uma singavumelani nani nizoyeka. Bathi yebo kunjalo, nalo ngekho umama uAnnelien naye uvumile ukuthi if abasinike lento esiyifunayo kuzomela sibeke phansi amathulusi sibuyele emuva. So uMadlanga khona lapho wathi okay, vele lento lena ilale kum yonke, so ngicela ngenzele kanjena ngizodecide mina manje ukuthi kwenzakalani. And kuyo yonke lento le wadecide uMadlanga ukuthi isigqiba asithathayo or isinqumo asithathayo ukuthi iyaqhutshekwa. Sekuzoba kuba ukuthi bayahamba bamshiya apha uMatlala okanjani, but into emnandi is that ngeke bekwazi ukumthatha uMatlala because uMatlala ubizwe ngamandla omthetho laphana, akakwazi ukuthi naye athi hayi nami ngiyaphuma ngiyahamba. So babona ukuthi hayi iyabashaya ke lento le, babona bathi basebethi kuMadlanga sicela usiphi ithuba ke lokuthi because iMadlanga Commission iphinde yabuza yena uMatlala ukuthi Matlala wena uthini. Wathi uMatlala hayi uyabona ke mase kunje mina ngumuntu odideke kakhulu because angazi ngithini, baqinisile wona isikhathi asisitholanga ukuthi sivumelana ukuthile, but uma sekunje even nomama Zenkohle igama lakhe kubuye ngamandla ekwatile ethi nisho kanjani ukuthi kunje ukuthi nikhulumile noMatlala because nginibuzisise kahle ukuthi nisho ukuthi lesinqumo nisithathayo sokuthi nizomshiya uMatlala lana nikhulumile naye nazwisisana. Bathi yebo sizwisisene noMatlala, but-ke manje mase bebona iMadlanga Commission ukuthi ayibancengi iyabatshela okay fine hambani soqhubeka noMahlala thina sebayabuya bathi hayi sicela uphinde sikhulume kanye noMahlala futhi wabuya umama lapha nethi kanti beningasho ngwendivele anikho ni ready nikhulumile nalabantu lami so kwabonakala nje ukuthi umuntu irritated ngayo yonke lento abayenzayo ngifuna uyibuke le video nje just ukuthi ube ne picture lento engikhulumayo then sikwazi ukuqhubeka but it was something engiyibona ngathi interesting because kuyabonakala ukuthi amaloya kaMahlala athatha ama chance lana afuna nje ukudlala ama delaying tactics until kufika isikhathi sokuthi kundlule isikhathi seMadlanga Commission kahle kahle
legal representatives.
Thank you, Chair.
Can you please switch on both microphones? Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, we had 3 scenarios, so I'm actually in the dark now because while I was having lunch, I didn't have enough time to conclude what we've been discussing, so we just came right straight here. So I do not know whether my legal counsel, what they are saying now is what comes from Mrs. van der Heever as instruction or not. So I'm actually in the dark. I don't know what to say.
So basically, you are not really party to what has been announced.
No, we've discussed the options, yes, but I haven't had the time to make up my own mind. So,
all right, maybe the best is for me to announce the decision. Having considered everything that has been presented to the Commission, my decision is to go ahead to hear Mr. Mahlala's application.
Enye into now that uyibuke le video ekade ivele kakhulu njengoba bese ngishilo ukuthi uMahlala beyangafuna ukuphendula ama question and futhi into ayitshele yona nje kwaseqaleni ukuthi ama question ngeke awaphendule because kudala kubuzwa into ethile ukuthi yini because kunento iMadlanga inotisile ukuthi kukhona ukuyiphikisa okukhona kuMahlala kanye no General uSibiya and into lana is that uSibiya uthi uMahlala wezemshadweni because wayezothatha umfazi wakhe and ngapha uMahlala uthi cha waye invited kulomshado of which khona oqamba manga between labantu ababili uzokhumbula ukuthi uMahlala kanye naye uGeneral uSibiya bake baya kuma ad hoc committee beyokhuluma lapha phambi kwama politician laba veza khona le information le so kukhona ukungadibani kwe-information part uma becela more information uMahlala uza ngelithi cha if ngiqhubeka ngikhuluma ngizozifaka engozini ngizozi-incriminate because unelungelo lokuthi angazi-incriminate and kube into engiyinothise nje throughout iMadlanga Commission ukuthi yonke indawo kumiwe nje ngeluthi uMahlala vela athi cha if ngiqhubeka ngikhuluma uzokhumbula ukuthi kunomfo oke washona owabanjwa wakidnapwa kwazi ukuthi washona kanjani because even namanje ekuthiwa uJerry namanje akwazi ukuthi uyaphila okanjani uma uMahlala bembuza ngaleyo questions ukuthi ifriend yakho iyiphi kahle nakhona uveza indaba yokuthi if ekhuluma uzozi-incriminate because yonke lento lena isese court so akakwazi ukukhuluma anything enomfaka engozini because if uyakhuluma uzozithola esephindela aphendule kwalapha ecourt futhi aphendule into ezingapheli into okuphinde kwafika igama lika General Sibiya like lathi nje ukuthi befocus kulo kakhulu and into ade befuna ukuyazi uzokhumbula ukuthi insolo zithi uMahlala wanika uSibiya impala lezilwane lezi ekuthiwa ama impala so i-question enkulu ke manje ukuthi bekungezani ezileza izilwane wayemnika because uyambonga lento ekuthiwa gratification ukuthi izandla ziyagezana ngunika lokhu nginika lokhu okwenzakalana and iyangihlekisa lento yamafarm nalabantu abalephezulu because kuyabonakala ngazothi wonke umuntu ufuna uba nefarm yakhe because uyabona uSibiya beka interested ekutheni athole impala okusho ukuthi unefarm kwayena so nakhona masikumele kwazeke ke manje ukuthi ingabe impala ngena kanjani la uMahlala uphinde uvusa indaba yokuthi cha if ngikhuluma ngale ndaba yama impala ngizozithola sengizi-incriminator ngizozithola sengizifaka ejele ngendlela engekho right of which nakhona zange sithole information engathi theni about leyo party because I was expecting ukuthi noko sizothola into ezityebile ukuthi sazi ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani la ngendaba yama impala because ungathola ukuthi it was a payment but i-payment yakho ukuthi angifuni unginike imali ngifuna nje unginike ama impala mangaka ngifuna ungenzele ukuthi so kunzima ukuthola ama answers kuMahlala and to some point bese ngicabanga ukuthi yazi lo muntu uyophuma ejele eseyazi law ukuthi ihamba kanjani, because kuyabonakala ukuthi umuntu oyifunda ilaw manje uyazi ukuthi into ethile ayikhulunywa, into ethile iyakhulunywa, nokuthi uzidefenda kanjani without ama-lawyer wakho, because indlela okwenzeka ngakhona uyakwazi ukudive ama-question angawaphenduli. And so far into engiyinotisile, akafuni uku-incriminate abangani bakhe, angazi li-right yini legama ngithi abangani bakhe, but akafuni ukubafaka ngaphansi because uyabaprotecta. Ayikho into engathi uyikhulumile ngosibiya engathatha usibiya imfake ngaphansi, ayikho into ayikhulume ngoMorgan Mawumela engamfaka ngaphansi uMawumela, because nakhona bathe babembuza ngoMawumela wathi kune-case ekhona ye-money laundering between yena kanye noMawumela, so akakwazi ukuphendula into ethile ngala madoda lawa, because if ephendula it means uncedisa le court enye ebhekane naye. NakuSulman Karim, uma bembuza imibuzo ngoSulman Karim, nakhona uthi cha akazokwazi ukuphendula because uzobe sezifake emacaleni yena about i-court le abhekane nayo. So most of into ezikhuluma nje beyiphelele ekuthenini ngeke akwazi ukuphendula because unecala elithile alihamba ecourt. So if iphendula kusho ukuthi uzozithola esenkingeni nakhona. uMatlala uphinde waveza something about uGeneral Mkhwanazi. Zokhumbula ukuthi uMkhwanazi wayethe une recording kaBukhet Matlala ayirecorda uMatlala engazi. So mabembuza ngaleyo nto leyo uMatlala uthi cha akulona iqiniso le, ayikho recording enjalo, okusho ukuthi use-challenge uMkhwanazi ngokuthi uMkhwanazi kumele akhiphe le recording athi khona. And ke angazi yini emenza uMatlala abe nesiqiniseko esingaka sokuthi sokuthi i-recording ayikho, yethu uGeneral Mkhwanazi ethi i-recording ikhona. So we don't know ukuthi izawuhamba iphelele phi indaba yale recording, but I believe ukuthi uGeneral Mkhwanazi unayo i-recording. It's a matter of time nje ukuthi abuye kuMadlanga then sikwazi ukuthi sibone ukuthi ithini into. And another thing engiyibona ngazuthi i-more interesting was indaba ye-parliament. Uzokhumbula ukuthi Matlala waye parliament, so iMadlanga beyimbuza ke namhlanje ukuthi ingabe ukhona yini umuntu owakwenza uqamba manga eParliament noma wakhuluma iqiniso, because they wanted to check ukuthi njoba sengathi khona ukuyiphikisa okukhona, ingabe ukhona yini umuntu ongemumva ophusha uMatlala ukuthi angakwazi ukuziphendulela. But uMatlala ufike sethi cha, if ngiyiphendula le question nayo izongenza ukuthi ngizi-incriminate, izongenza ukuthi ngizithwese icala ngokwami, ngenzelela umsebenzi lula laba abangiphenyayo. So uyabona na ukuthi nje almost yonke iMatlala ayikhuluma bekuwukuthi nje ukhipha ilungelo lakhe lokuthi angifuni ukuzifaka ebugebengwini, of which ivele yangimotivate because singabantu abaningi besilindele likhulu kuMatlala ukuthi sizokwazi ukuthi ezinye izinto ziphenduleke, but kuyabonakala namanje sisashiyeke sididekile ukuthi okuthile kwenza. That means noSuleiman even if angeza naye uzofika vele izinto eyodwa ukuthi akafuni ukuzinemba, noma athi ukuzibani naye uzofika, especially abantu abanama cases athile. Into engcono la kuyomela ukuthi vele kuze abantu abanjengo General Sibiya abanganamacala amanye aqhubeka ngapha emacaleni, because bonke laba namacala aqhubekayo bavele bethi abafuna ukuzinemba ngalamacala lawa, so kubhethe ukuthi bangakhulumi ngawo.